Hi, I'm Adam. How to send money from Cash App to Chime card. First of all you have to do is open your Cash App, click on your account button on the top right corner. On the next page, you have to find the option Linked Banks. You have to click on it. On this page, you have to select the option called Link Credit Card. Now on this page, if you want to connect your Chime card to your Cash App, then you have to make sure to enter all of the details of your Chime card, like its debit card number, its month of expiration and the year, and the 3-digit CVV number, the zip code, everything else of your Chime card on this section. And then you have to select Link Card. Now once your Chime card has been linked to your Cash App, go back to your home screen of your Cash App, and then you have to select the $sign on the bottom left corner of your screen. A new page will open which will show you how much balance that you have left in your Cash App, and two other options called Add Cash and Cash Out. If you want to transfer money from your Cash App to your Chime account, then you have to select the option called Cash Out. And on this page, you will be able to type in the exact amount that you want to send from your Cash App to your Chime account, and also it will show you how much fee it will take to transfer the money and everything else. When you're done, click on OK, and the amount will be sent from your Cash App to your Chime account. And that's how to transfer your money from Cash App to Chime card. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.